Let's explore how to remove the background around hair using a new AI mask, a fascinating test that promises to enhance your editing experience. Let's begin this process. First, we need to visit CapCut.com and then proceed to this section right here to continue. Scroll down and then we will select this program. After that, we will choose your desired photos for editing. Select a photo of a girl with hair, and you can easily remove the background. After that, we will add the finishing touches to enhance the image further. Here we have everything ready. As you can see, the AI has automatically highlighted this girl, and now it will effortlessly remove the background for us. Let's proceed. Now, it will effortlessly remove the background, and as you can see, we will carefully examine the results. Let's begin this process. We can make some adjustments here, but I believe everything looks fine overall, as you can see. Done. Now as you can see here, we have this little feature that we can use to make adjustments and enhance our image further. Click to see the results we achieved. Let's press it now and take a look at what we have created together. Now let's move to the next step. Here we have the export option, and there's another button we need to press, as you can see. The button worked, and now the background is removed. Thank you all for watching. Good luck, and goodbye.